pretty sure that you're curious of who I am, right? Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Akma Ramli from College Tukukusha, and I'm also a prefect and also the head bureau for sports and curriculum for my school. Not only that, I am also a subject leader for additional mathematics for my batch.
Being a prefect in TKC isn't as easy as it seems. I have to maintain good discipline at all times while performing well in my academic achievement. Besides that, being in a school where the students are actively joining curricular activities has been my responsibility to keep track with every achievements they made to keep the Kusha flag flying high.
Ever since kindergarten, I've always loved playing with numbers as it strengthens my problem-solving skills. As we take time to understand a problem, we identify the knowns and unknowns, and then we solve the problem. And that's when people can enhance their cognitive and decision-making skills that can be applied to all areas of life. Thus, I am aiming to pursue in data analytics, computer science, electrical engineering, or business studies. The leadership skills that I've acquired throughout my life in TKC has helped me a lot in time management, especially when I am an additional mathematics subject leader for my batch. It helped me a lot to be better and do better to help my friends in my subject to acquire 9A+ in SPM. Some of the personal qualities that I possess are I'm good at multitasking, good with communication, and in fact, I'm also a Delft B2 qualification for French language and will be sitting for the B1 exam for this year. Fatin, how would you describe Akma?
Okay, so I would describe Akma in 2 words, which is caring and friendly.
I think Akma is very humble and such a thoughtful person to everyone around her.
Of course, what kept me motivated is the greatest achievements that I have achieved throughout my entire life. And one of it has always been the opportunity to enter TKC, as it was difficult to fight for a spot to enter such a prestigious school at a very young age. And I also got top 5 for all Form 4 examination in 2023. I would like to thank you for sparing your time to watch my video. If you have any further questions, please reach me out through my email or my phone number. And with that, I thank you.